Hey guys, Andrew here from blogdistributor.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a PopLinks review. And as always, this is going to be a 100% honest, non-biased review. We are going to go through the sales page and see the claims made by the vendor. Then we're going to jump to the software and test those claims. And at the end, we are going to give this software a score. I'm going to tell you whether you should consider picking this up or not, because the front end alone is actually $97, which is kind of expensive for a front end product. And the bundle is a whopping $1,000. Yes, so $997, practically $1,000. Is it actually worth it? This is what you are going to find out in this video. So on the sales page, they say that this is their brand new 2.0 landing page builder. I previously reviewed the 1.0 version and I still have access to it. So this is my account from the 1.0. They have updated it to the 2.0 and we'll be able to see if this software is still worth it in 2024. So here they say that, attention, affiliate marketers, coaches, consultants, or anyone selling anything online who needs done-for-you web pages. 2.0 landing pages done in 60 seconds. Finally, discover how to build hundreds of landing pages, sales pages, bridge pages in less than a minute without coding, design, or even any copywriting skills. So this is what they are promising you to get on the front end. And here is the actual dashboard. So first you can see that they show you all the different sessions. They have different parts of the software that we are going to go through, but basically on the dashboard, they show you different stats in analytics for your traffic that you are getting for your link bank, for your lead pages, and as well as bridge pages. So speaking of lead pages, this is what we are going to test first. So I'm not going to go to the PopLinks. This is kind of an advanced thing. I want to leave it to the end. I want to go straight to the PopPages and the lead pages to be exact. And as you can see, this is the landing page that I built a couple of years ago. This one, I built it a few minutes ago to basically explore the software. Now I'm going to build a new one with you guys. So I'm going to click on create new. And we are going to name it test 1, 2, 3 for the purposes of this video. You can also add a category right here. You can add different categories, I believe in the group library. Somewhere around here, you can add categories and then you can start categorizing your pages. For now, I'm going to leave it on default and I'm going to click on add lead step. So next, it's going to take us to the landing page selection page. So they have different lead pages that you can choose from, literally hundreds of options that you can choose from. So I'm just gonna choose one for the purposes of this video, and let's just say I want this one. You can also hover over it, click on preview to preview the landing page. If you are satisfied, you just click on select and boom, you have your landing page ready. Now to edit your landing page is very simple. If you want to edit the text, you just click on it. Then a menu on the right sidebar, it will show up. You can change the font text. You can add different font styles. You can change the color. You can basically play around and change this and customize this however you'd like. So this is the first step right here, which is the lead capture page. Your users will land here. Then once they enter their email, they'll go to step number 2, which is basically the thank you page where you deliver or where you tell them to go check their email for their delivery. Because I'm guessing if you are sending people to a lead page, you are planning to give them a lead magnet. Anyways, you can edit this and customize this however you like. Something, it caught my attention, something very interesting. If we go here to the preview, you can see the landing page is hosted on their domain. And if I go and I basically go to the gallery icon and change the template, you'll be able to see that it's very fast at updating the page. So if I go here and let me just choose another template, for example, let's choose a completely different one like this one. We click on select. If I go in refresh, it almost instantly updates the page. So it's very, very quick. And the cool thing that they promise is basically it's optimized for mobile as well. So you can see that if I go here and I refresh this for the mobile view, it's optimized for it. So you don't have to worry about mobile optimization. I think they have Bootstrap built in to customize this for the mobile. As you can see, the display is actually pretty cool and it's fast updating on the mobile as well. So if I go back to the gallery and I choose, let's say this one, click on select, go ahead and refresh, you can see that it almost instantly updates the page, or it almost instantly updates the changes without you having to save. So it's automatically saved. You can also come here and click on shuffle to see how your landing page will look like on different device sizes, which is actually pretty cool. You can also add a bunch of elements. I'm not gonna give you a tutorial on how to modify your landing page. You can take your time, you can watch YouTube tutorials. This is not about building a lead capture page or a landing page. This is about reviewing the software and checking the claims. And so far, so good, I would say. It has over 100 landing pages, like they said. I'm pretty sure I created this within less than 60 seconds. It's just the price. Is $97 actually worth it? And my short answer is going to be yes, because not only can you build lead capture pages with their thank you page, you can also build bridge pages as well as other types of pages that I'm going to share with you in just a second. But first we go to the bridge page, we click on create, and again we are going to name this test 1 2 3 4 5. The category, we're just going to leave it at default. And same with the lead capture page, you just choose a template and go from there. So it's very, very simple. They have made it as simple as possible for you. They also have this option here, so you can use their global editor. You can edit the outline so you can see the preview instantly without having to choose. So for example, if I go with the main headline, make money online now, it would I'm guessing it would automatically change for all of these display pages. So it will show you the make money online right from the display without you having to actually enter the page. It's quick and easy, but I would just go with selecting a landing page and modifying it later. So for example, I keep saying landing page, but it's actually a bridge page. We have to be a bit more specific. So excuse my language. Basically, it's very easy. Just select like you did with the lead pages. You select your page and here you can modify it. And it's also as fast as the landing page. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to do a bit of speed test. So this is the landing or the bridge page, and this is the lead capture page. We are going to do a page speed test. We're going to copy this. We are going to go to the Google Page Speed Insights first. So we're going to click here and put it in the bar and then click on enter, and it's going to scan the page and see how fast it is. Same thing with Pingdom. So I'm just going to paste the link here. Let me just remove this one, paste, and click on start. And it will scan the page and see how fast it actually is. Now, something bizarre I noticed when it comes to the Page Speed Insights, it's actually pretty decent on the desktop. So I gave it a score of 81, which is pretty fast. It loads up within 1.7 seconds, which is absolutely insane. But on the mobile, for some reason, it loads up in 9 seconds right here. So what I did is I went to another speed test page or page speed test, and I tested it, and you can see that it gave it an 89 grade score. And when I actually load it right here, it's pretty fast. Even if I switch to mobile, even if I open it on my mobile phone, it's pretty fast. So I'm not sure why the Google is loading this page in 9 seconds, but it's actually pretty fast when I come to test it. Maybe I have my cookies saved, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up a brand new profile here, and I'm gonna paste this on the bar. So this profile doesn't have any backlinks, or I'm sorry, this profile doesn't have any cookies. We are gonna click on enter, and you can see it loads up pretty fast. If I go here to the mobile view and I choose, for example, iPhone 14 Pro Max, I click on refresh, you can see it loads up pretty fast. So I'm not sure why Google speed test loads this page in 9 seconds on the mobile, but when I tested it on Pingdom, it loaded it pretty fast and it gave it a pretty decent score in my opinion. So this is actually pretty snappy, and this will help you if you are buying, for example, solo ads, because the page will load up pretty fast so people will not exit the page. You can also add the exit pop. So they give you an option here. If you toggle this bar, it will add an exit pop. And if I go here, I can modify the exit pop. Now, if I refresh this page and I try to exit the page, it will give me the exit pop, which is a cool addition if you are planning to maximize your leads conversion. Now, once you start building up your leads and collecting email addresses, you can go to the lead section and you can view all your leads in the page bank here. You can also view the offer leads right here. So they load up everything from the email, name, date, and all the different information, which is pretty cool. Hey guys, sorry about that. I had to pause the video to actually check out how to use this part of the software, and I don't know how to explain it. I'm just going to show you what you can do with the PopLinks feature. So if you go here, click on create new link. You can name your link first, so Andrew 1 or Andrew K. The destination URL, I'm just gonna send it to my landing page or my bonus page. The status, I'm gonna keep it as active. So you can see that when you choose active, it basically sends directly to this link. If you choose pending, you can customize your pending pages here. So if we go here to the groups, to the group library, you can go to the holding pages and you can add your pending pages here. And what this does basically is, let's just say this is your sales page and it hasn't gone live yet. What will happen is basically if people visit the link that we are going to get, this pop link, if people visit it, they will go to the pending page first, and once the offer goes live, it will start redirecting to your destination link. I hope you understand what I'm saying. It's very simple. If your offer is evergreen, you just choose evergreen and it will always redirect to this page. So you'll be able to create a pre-sale page if you want. So people get redirected to that page before the launch goes live, and once it goes live, it will start sending traffic to the destination URL instead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it on active to show you a demo of what I'm saying. The domain settings, you can go to the group library and add your domains. If you go to domains, you can add your domain and they will guide you through how to integrate your domain. It's very easy. Just add your name servers. Once you do so, if you want, you can go with personal and choose your domain here. I'm just going to go with the system domains for the purposes of this demo. And then we are going to choose a domain. So let me just choose one at random. So ziplinks.net. The visible URL is actually the slug. So for example, I'm going to go with Andrew K bonus. So this is going to be my slug. And you can see that this is the URL. It's going to be ziplinks.net/Andrew K -bonus. So this is going to be the URL that we send people to. The Optional settings are the vendor and the group. So if you want to customize your link tracking, that will show up on the dashboard. If you want more specific data, you can go back to the group library and you can add the vendors as well as the, let me just check here. So you can add the vendors and you can add the groups. You just click on add group, you name your group, you select the domain, you click on add. Same thing goes for the vendor. So it's very simple. I know it's kind of complicated, but it's actually simple functionality. If you want to have pre-landers, if you want to have evergreen pages, if you want to have expiry pages, so once the offer expires, people get redirected to that page. What you have to do is click on advanced settings, then go here. I'm not sure. Let me just open up both of these. You can see that if I go and choose, for example, from, so let's just say this offer goes live today, which is the 25th, and then it expires on the 27th. You can choose your pending pages and your completed pages. So I added Google and YouTube for this example. Again, you can just go to the group library and then go to holding pages and add your pages here. You can just click on add page, you put the name, the URL, and you're done. So once you add your pages here, let's just say it's live, and I'm going to click on save, and you can see that the status is active. And if I click here, go to the link, you can see that it's going to take me straight to my bonus page. Now, if it expires or it doesn't go live yet, so it's pending, let me just go here, click on pending, and choose the 26th, then click on save. You can see that the link has been updated. Let me just go back to the link bank, and you can see that status is now pending. If I go here and click on go to link, it will redirect to my pending page, which is actually google.com. Now, this is useful. If this is useful for you, you can use this feature. It's available, and it's actually pretty cool because you can schedule your campaigns, which is something kind of advanced, but you might use this in the long run. I don't know. Anyways, you can change the status to completed right here, and let's just say completed, which means it started on the 22nd and it finished on the 24th. Today is the 25th, the day of recording this video. So if I click on save here, something went wrong. What went wrong exactly? I'm not sure. Let me just double check. Okay. So something is not going right. Let me just refresh, click on save. Or let me just change this to completed. I want to see what it looks like. Okay. So now it should redirect. If I visit the link, it should redirect to the completed page, which is actually, okay, here we go. So it says pending. It should be ended. Okay. So let me just go here, click on go to link. It should redirect me to, no, so it didn't actually save. Let's go here. Click on completed, click on save. It's set as pending because I'm choosing the date. So let me just choose the 18th, for example. So it started on the 18th, it ends on the 18th. They have a problem with the date here. I'm not sure why, but it should redirect me to Bing because I added Bing here in the 404 pages, which means it should redirect me to Bing. I'm not sure why it's not letting me save, but I think it's because of the advanced option. I'm just gonna untick this option, the advanced option, and I'm gonna go with completed, and then I'm gonna click on save, and now it's not saving for some reason. So let me just create another one and see what happens. So create PopLink. This is going to be test 2, the same link, status, completed, system domain, doesn't matter. Then 1, 2, 3 tests. I'm not going to choose vendors. I'm just going to click on save. And here we go. So this one is completed. Now, if I go to link, it should redirect me to the completed page. I forgot to add the completed page. So if I go here, I need to go and add the completed page. Completed page should be Bing. YouTube, for example, I added YouTube. So let me just click here on save. I added YouTube, not Bing, I'm sorry. So the completed, we go to link, finally it redirects to YouTube. Okay, so this is basically our software. This is all it does. You have all your leads here. You have basically pretty cool software for $97. They also have a bunch of upsells and they have a bundle. Now, as for my bonuses, this is something I haven't talked about yet. This is my bonus page. Just click on the link down below in the description if you want to purchase, and you'll find all the links necessary for purchase. I have the front end, which is the yellow one, and I have the bundle, which is the purple one. So if you want the front end, just click here. If you want the bundle, click on the purple one. What you are going to get if you purchase through me, these bonuses are exclusive to me, so they are not going to be available through purchasing directly from the sales page or from anyone else. So make sure to purchase through me. The first thing I'm going to give you is beta access to linking, which is my own link shortening software. So let me just find it quickly and show you what it does. Here we go. You can see I'm in the admin dashboard. So this is actually my own software that I'm giving you access to. I'm going to create your account here in the users, and you can see that I don't have any users. I just have my own accounts, and I'm going to create an account for you. What it does is basically a lot of things, a lot. It does a lot. So it does bio pages, bio link pages. You can create a brand new bio link on my own domain. Let me just create a random one. And here you can add different blogs. So if I click on add blog, you can add links. These are the bio links. I'm pretty sure you are familiar with them. The shorten links, the file links, the vCard links, the invite links, the static pages. You can create all of these and much more. You can also add pixels, and I'm going to give you an unlocked account, which means that you don't have to pay and you get all the premium features that you get in other link shorteners, such as Linktree and all the other link shorteners combined. So this is going to be my first bonus, huge, because I'm not giving you access to some random software launched on JVZoo or Warrior Plus. I'm giving you access to my very own software. So I manage this software. I use it myself. And this is going to be beta access because I haven't launched this. So it's going to be very exclusive. And this is actually worth $17 a month. You are going to get it completely for free. My second bonus is going to be Taskify, which is a task and project management software. Again, let me just quickly go ahead and find it. I'm not sure where it is. Here we go. So this is Taskify. I'm going to create your own account. As you can see, I'm the admin here. I'm going to add you as a user. Once you purchase through me, and you get access to all these features, you can add different projects. If you have a company, you can add your own employees. You can add tasks to them. You have your own chat room with your team that you set up in each project. You can add your clients. You can set up meetings and so on and so forth. So we have a lot going on with this software as well. So this is going to be my second bonus, which is literally priceless. The third bonus is going to be how to use Quora for free traffic. So if you want to build your list for free, I'm going to show you the highest converting method to gather leads using the Quora platform. And bonus number 4 is going to be all the vendor bonuses that are given to you on the sales page. So these are my front-end bonuses. If you decide to purchase the bundle, which is $1,000, I'm going to give you something worth it if you pick it up through me. So my first software that I'm giving you is the Funnel Flex. Something I noticed with PopLinks, they only, let me just go back and open up PopLinks. Here we go. So something I noticed with PopLinks, they don't give you landing pages for different niches. They don't give you sales pages for different niches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you something never done before. I'm going to give you access to this very powerful software right here, which is literally priceless. I'm going to give you access to Funnel Flex. This is going to be very limited, and this is done for you to the max. So you can build sites instantly in any niche. I'm going to give you access to the software. You can integrate your own domains. You can instantly deploy websites in any niche. So for example, if you are in the automotive niche, let me just show you this template right here. You can instantly deploy this and modify it and launch it within minutes. So you are going to get access to this software that literally gives you hundreds of templates that you can use that are already in your account. So you can go here, click on clone, and you basically clone the template, and then you can go ahead and click on edit, and you can start building your websites instantly. And all of this is going to be hosted on my domain, so you don't have to worry about hosting. You can integrate your own domain if you want to. So if you want to build a website for your business and modify it instantly, we have our built-in editor. You are going to get this bonus if you pick up the bundle through me. So if you want this, you're going to have to pick up the bundle, which is $1,000. And it doesn't stop there. I'm also going to give you access to Instant Mail, which is a mailing software that will allow you to send emails to unlimited leads. And it's very simple. It's very clean. You can see here, this is the mailer. You have your dashboard with all the different stats and analytics. You have your list, so you can click here and add your list. You can also add different segments. You can import your list, and you can basically start blasting out emails to this list. First, you have to integrate your SMTP. This is not an autoresponder. This is an email marketing software, which means you have to bring your own SMTP. We recommend you to use either Amazon SES, Mailgun, or just your server SMTP. You just have to integrate it here, and then you can start blasting out emails. You can basically send unlimited emails, and we're not going to charge you anything. This is going to be on us if you pick up the bundle through us. Now, if you pick up the bundle, not only will you get the VIP bonuses, you also get all the other fast action bonuses. So if you are interested, go ahead and do that. I'm not advising you to go ahead and spend $1,000 directly. I would advise you to go with the front end option. But if you are insistent on spending $1,000, or if you have $1,000 extra, this is by far the best money you can spend, because you get lifetime access, plus you unlock all the features and all the different upsells. Would highly recommend you to do that if you have $1,000 extra. But if you are struggling on the financial side, definitely go ahead and pick up the front end first, test drive it, and see if the software works best for your business, and then consider picking up the bundle. And don't forget to pick it up through my links to get my bonuses. And that's basically it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.